Hello, honor students. I hope you are having a great week. I'm just making this video again to go over the second half of your week 5 remote learning assignments, but really quick, I wanted to show you this. I need 7 more pictures to finish this quarantine page. Okay, so make sure you send me a selfie and a little description about what you've been up to during quarantine, so I can get this page done. I would really appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at your assignments. So don't forget you do have 2 assignments due today, which would be the 2 poems. So it'd be Window Seat and Sonnet 18. Those are both due today by midnight. And then don't forget again that your journals are due Friday. So let's go ahead and take a look at the assignments for the second half of the week. These both are due Friday. Directions: read the article on the Google Doc and then answer the 5 questions in 1 to 2 sentences each. You must answer all 5 questions in 1 to 2 complete sentences each in order to earn all points. Again, type your answers in a separate Google Doc. So let's go ahead and take a look at the assignment. This one is titled Learn How to Fail. Many students experience intense pressure to be perfect in school, especially to ensure that they are accepted into a top university. But how important is a perfect college application? In this informational article, Dean of Admissions discusses what colleges are really looking for and offers his surprising take on the importance of failure. As you read, take notes on the reasons why the author thinks students should be honest about their failures on college applications. So here is the article again, short article, and then the 5 questions at the end. And let's look at your last assignment. It is titled America, same directions here as the last assignment. Alright, this one is another poem. I'm just going to call our author here Claude. Was a Jamaican-American novelist and poet who played an important role in the Harlem Renaissance, a cultural, social, and artistic movement that took place in Harlem, New York. America was first published in The Liberator in 1921, in which the speaker discusses his or her feelings about America. As you read, identify the poem's figurative language that communicates the speaker's perspective on America. Super short poem here, and then 5 questions. As always, let me know if you've got any questions. Send me your selfies, and I will talk to you guys soon.